Tobacco doesn't discriminate. Its effects harm every age, every sex, every day. Tobacco consumption often begins with various reasons, such as social influence, stress, or due to your friend circle. Tobacco's grip may be slow, but its effects are swift, damaging health, mind, and life with every puff. From cancer to breathlessness, tobacco leaves a trail of destruction with every use. After realizing tobacco is not the answer, he had to find his freedom. Taking professional help, taking help from family, saying no to his friends, working on themselves and showing how he's changing their life.
Never stop trying.